Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Azar, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, December 19th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 38 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls won last night against the Wizards with a score of 110 to 109. The Blackhawks lost last night against the Avalanches with a score of 1-4. Today's announcements are: today is Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch for a slice of pizza for only $2. There are no clubs meeting today. 6th grade after-school band and orchestra will still meet at your junior high. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by Room 115. Have a yummy tummy pizza Thursday!